As the next part, we are going to add a title to the video what we have created. So for that, click on the title menu, then title. So in the window we got various templates. So from here I am choosing this camera border. Then here in the file name, let it be like that. So here I am changing the file name as the line 1 I am changing to my video. Then if you want to change the font, you can change the font here. So click on the font option. So here I am changing the font size to 14. Then I am changing to bold italics and click on OK button. Then click on save. So here in the project file we got the title what we have created, and now we have to give a end title also. So again click on the title menu, then title, and here I am choosing this sunset, and here I am giving the line 1 as the end, and I am not changing anything here. So if you want, you can change the options here. We can change the text color, then background color, all those things, but I am not changing anything. So click on the save button. So we got the two titles. So here as the first part, I am dragging this first title to the starting. So first I have to move the video a bit backward in order to add the title. So here I am dragging this title name here. So now I am arranging the videos what we have created, and so I have to add another title. So click on this second file and drag it to the last part of the file. So now we'll just play and see. So click on the play button. I will see the end part of the video. So this is the last title we have created. So like that we can add title to our video what we have created. Now we have to convert this file into a video file. So for that, click on file, export video. Then I am giving the file name as my project itself. Then profile, I don't have to change it, let it be all format. And here I am giving target as MP4, MPEG-4. Then here I am clicking on export video. So here we can see the file is being converted to a video file. So as it completes, we can open up and see the video what we have created. So our video is now converted fully. Now we will minimize this window. So now we will minimize this window, then double click and open the home folder, and there StudentWorks 9 folder, and here we can see our video file, my project. So double click and open it. So we can see the various titles we have added, the video, and the last title also what we have added is now displayed in this video. So now we'll quit from this window. So click on file, save project, then file, quit.